Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to be tying a lark's head knot, but also we're going to follow on and we're going to do a half hitch knot with each side of the cord. So here I've got some macrame cord and I'm just using a ring. To tie the lark's head knot, put the two ends of your cord together to find the centre point. Then when we've got the centre point, we're going to put that over the front of our ring and we're going to pull the cord through the back, open the loop and push cords through and pull tight, and that's made our lark's head knot. To make the half hitch knots on either side, take one side of the cord, lift up the ring and push that underneath the back, make the loop with the cord and pull the cord through the loop. Pull that tight and there we can see we've got a half hitch knot as well. Now we're going to repeat that on the other side. So take your cord, lift up the ring, make a loop with the cord and pull the strand of cord through, pulling that tight, and there we have a lark's head knot with a half hitch knot at either side. We can now do a reverse lark's head knot with the half hitch knots. So again, we're going to take our cord, but this time we're going to lift up the ring, make a loop and pull the cord through, and we've made our reverse lark's head knot. Now we've got our reverse lark's head knot, we can now follow on and make a half hitch knot. So take the strand of macrame cord, then this time we're going to put it over the top of the ring, push it underneath, and there we can see we have our loop, and then we're going to pull the cord through the loop, and then again on the other side take the strand of cord, pop it over the top of the ring, pull it through so it goes through the loop, and there you have your reverse lark's head knot with a half hitch knot at either side. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.